have had this mini micro scooter for 9 years. It started with my son, and then my daughter took it over. It is without question my daughter's favorite means of travel. And for many, many years, she would scooter every day when we'd go pick up my son from school. So it has seen a lot of love, which you can tell. The handle is all dark and brown now. I'm sure I could clean that off. The wheels have definitely discolored over time, and it just has a lot of buildup of dirt and grime over all the years. But it doesn't change how incredibly well it works. It is a perfect stable scooter for young children. So let me go into what makes the Micro Mini so fantastic. Now, to start off with, it has a lot of opportunity to grow with your child. It can start super small, which is where we started, so very tiny. And then as your child grows, you can undo this and make it go taller and taller and taller. This is as tall as it gets, and when it gets to the highest point, it has this extra button that locks right here, and so it has a double lock. So that's not going anywhere. The handle itself is very easy to hold on to. My son now has a different scooter, and his hands get hurt by the handles on that one. He usually gets worn out. Whereas this one, neither kid ever had a complaint about these handles. They are just fantastic. They feel really good, very ergonomic. Now, the way to steer this is a little unique. Instead of twisting the front handle like you would a bike, you lean, and when you lean, the wheels turn. So the kids just lean into whichever way they want to go, and they'll go that way. And that is what gives it so much stability and makes it much safer for children to scooter around on this. They're not going to fall over. This is not going to twist the wrong way and cause some big face plant. It's really, really stable. Now, once they start going really fast, they'll want to use this brake right here, and all they do is step on that with their foot, and it will stop that back wheel and break the entire Mini. And then finally, I would often stick this in my car or tuck it into our closet, and it's very easy to tuck down small. Again, you can make this top handle tiny, and then you can pop the whole thing out down here. It's hard to show, but there is a red button in there, and that's the plastic hook that holds the whole handle on. Just push that, pull it out, and you are good to go. So now you can just tuck this away. It's small. If you needed to, you could hook this onto the back of your backpack if your kid is tired scootering. I think the main times I would take this apart would be to stick it in the car. But it's really helpful that it has that feature. And then to put it back on, you simply press down that red button again, put it in, and then push it until it snaps. And then it's good to go. Now, I will tell you that kids still can faceplant on this, and my kids have, so be sure they wear helmets and hope they have a great time. The Mini Micro Scooter is fantastic.